Are you tired of complicated weeknight dinners? Stop stressing. Do this instead. We've got a super simple yet incredibly delicious beef stroganoff recipe just for you. Let's dive right in. First, grab your ingredients. 2 pounds beef chuck roast, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 4 ounces butter, 4 green onions, sliced, white parts only, 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 10.5 ounce can condensed beef broth, 1 teaspoon prepared mustard, 1 6 ounce canned sliced mushrooms, drained, 1/3 cup sour cream, 1/3 cup white wine, salt and ground black pepper to taste. Toss the flour and beef into a snap-lock bag, season with salt and pepper, and shake it like a Polaroid picture. Heat half the butter and oil in a sizzling hot pan and brown that beef to perfection. Next, reduce the heat and add the rest of the oil. Sauté the onion and mushrooms until they're soft and fragrant. Stir in garlic and paprika for that extra flavor kick. Pour in the wine, stock, tomato paste, and mustard. Let it all simmer until the sauce thickens. Finally, stir in the sour cream. Serve this beautiful stroganoff over a bed of fettuccine and sprinkle with fresh parsley. There you have it, a simple, scrumptious beef stroganoff that's guaranteed to impress. Bon appetit!